Hello. In this project we are going to build a simple battery indicator that will show us the voltage on the analog pin of the Arduino board. For the demonstration purposes we are going to just use a potentiometer to regulate the voltage on the analog pin. For this project you will need an OLED display, potentiometer, breadboard, some jumper wires, Arduino board and Visuino program. Wire everything according to this schematic. First go to Visuino and download and install Visuino program. Start Visuino and select the board. In our case it is Arduino Uno. Add map range analog component. Add analog to integer component. Add integer multi-source component. Add OLED I2C component. Select map range 1 and in the properties window set max to 80. Map range will adjust the analog input to the length of the battery indicator. This value is the same as the maximum width of the rectangle for the battery indicator. Select integer multi-source 1 and in the properties window set output pins to 7. Double click on the display OLED 1 and in the elements window drag fill screen to the left side. Now drag draw rectangle to the left side and in the properties window set height to 42, width to 82, x to 19 and y to 19. Now drag another draw rectangle to the left side and in the properties window set fill color to white and height to 40, width to 80, now click on the pin icon and select cardinal sync pin and set X to 20 and Y to 20. Now our battery indicator is pretty much finished, but we can add some stylish add-ons to make it more pretty. For that we are going to add a few lines. Add 3 drawline elements. Now select draw line 1 and in the properties window set color to black and height to 39. Set width to 0, x to 40 and y to 20. Now do the same for the other two elements, but just change the X to 60 and X to 80 for the draw line 3. Now you can close the elements window. Connect Arduino analog pin 0 to map range 1 pin in. Connect map range 1 pin out to analog to integer 1 pin in, and connect analog to integer 1 pin out to integer multi-source 1 pin in. Now connect integer multi-source 1 pin 0 to display fill screen pin clock, and integer multi-source 1 pin 1 to display draw rectangle 1 pin clock, and pin 2 to draw rectangle 2 pin width, and pin 3 to draw rectangle 2 pin clock, and pin 4 to draw line 1 pin clock, and pin 5 to draw line 2 pin clock, pin 6 to draw line 3 pin clock, and connect display I2C pin to the board pin I2C. Now upload the project to the Arduino board.